Velaphi returned from prison on the latest episode of Isitha the Enemy, so if you would like to find out more on this, then stay tuned to this video. But before going to the video, I need to first request you guys to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. Enjoy the video. So fans of Isitha the Enemy are celebrating the return of Velaphi from prison. I think after Zamani Mbata left the show, people who loved him transferred their love to this guy because wow, I remember a few episodes back when he appeared on the show speaking the jail lingo. People were so impressed. Even on Twitter, there were several posts about him, fans praising his acting skills. Also, there's been a lot of pressure coming from fans requesting writers to bring him back from jail. I remember reading an article with different social media comments from different accounts. So I think the Black Brain Pictures had trust from those fans. That is why they decided to get him out. So if you're wondering how he got out of prison, then don't worry. Here's a brief background. So this week has been a very tough week for Detective Thembi Nkosi since he was struggling to keep Mamris in prison. So he went and told Xuma about this, which is where Xuma told him that since he failed to keep Mamris in prison, he needs to get Velaphi out of there as well by stealing a docket. And of course, Detective was not going to agree to that, so he refused up until he realized that Rebecca's lawyer is well connected. So he decided to do what Xuma asked. He stole Velaphi's docket plus a gun. So if there's no docket and no gun as evidence, the court has no business continuing with the case. So the case was dropped, and that is how Velaphi ended up going back home. So we now wait to see if Velaphi is going to be able to adjust to an outside life since he's used to a prison life. I wonder if he's going to be able to be a child again, as Xuma and the whole family would expect. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that is all I wanted to share with you in this video. So yeah, do comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about Velaphi's return from prison. And if you enjoyed the content on this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.